Hi, my name is Caitlin Baker, and I'm a student at Indiana University studying elementary education with a concentration in math, and I want to teach first or second grade in the future. Some of my beliefs about technology integration in the classroom are that it plays an important role in most people's day to day life, so students should learn how to use it at a very young age. And I also believe that there's an unlimited amount of educational resources online that can bring many advantages to both teaching and learning, and technology should be incorporated into all classrooms in some way or another. I think that teachers can save time for both themselves and their students by incorporating technology in their lessons and activities. Um, so in my gallery, I have my best artifacts from W200, and I'm going to start with my open house newsletter. It's like a newsletter for parents and students, and I created it using the website S'more. And I think it's important for teachers to get important because teachers can get information to parents easily without sending home a paper with students, and I could integrate this by sending out a weekly newsletter to parents about what's going on in the classroom, what work needs to be done, and some other stuff. And here's just what it looks like. The second thing that I made was a Kahoot about place value and comparison of numbers, and that's just a second grade standard that I used to create it. And here's that. It's just some pretty simple questions with like a 20-second timer. And I think this could be important for revision of material and like a fun way for students to study. I also think that I could integrate this before a test to help the students study, or I could just do it after a lesson to see how well the students understood the material that I just went over. My last artifact was the infographic I created on going places safely online, and this was just telling about the ways to stay safe online for children. And I think this is important because it can be a fun way to create a lesson, and also students can use it too for if they are creating a project or something. And I think I could integrate this when I am teaching a lesson, or like I said, as a project for the students to show like what they understood of the material. So going back to the home page, I really want to use technology very frequently in my classroom, and I'm going to use it for teaching lessons, for students to do different activities and homework, and just so many different things, to integrate it as much as possible to help the students become more comfortable with it. And just reflecting on my W200 experience, I really enjoyed the course and all the activities that we did, and it really helped me to become more comfortable just using technology, and it gave me so many ideas on how to integrate technology in my future classroom. Some examples of stuff that I learned was just like what types of videos I can show and how to like tell if they're good videos and going to teach the students anything, and then also ways to just integrate technology into my actual lessons. And I also learned about a lot of apps for both myself and the students to use to help with lessons and activities and all kinds of other different things, and just so much more.